Ah, what a great day for a bike ride. Here we are over by the library. Let's go this way. Nice windy day. A little bit of rain. I left 20 minutes late. Got to kind of haul butt to get over to the bike ride today. It's Thursday. Beaver Sports demo ride day. Some new people coming. Across the road. Here's the bowling alley. That's the bowling alley. Arctic Bowl. It's been there as long as I know since I've been in town. Oops. A little bit of water never hurt anybody. Except people will take that. Keep that lens dry-ish. It's quite a bit of rain for Fairbanks the last couple of days. I skipped the ride yesterday because I didn't want to go in the rain. I didn't want to get all wet. Oh well. But if it didn't rain, our streets would be really dirty. Fairbanks is a very dusty town. Haven't even checked if my Strava's even working yet. It is. Strava's working. You go back in there. Usually put it in my pocket. Dropped my phone yesterday out of the sidewalk in my little 100 yen phone cover. Kept it from breaking. That was worth every bit of 64 cents. Wind. Nothing like a headwind. It's a perfect riding day. Okay, it'll take it further dry. It's what it's like driving across Fairbanks. Oh, wet brakes. Yay. Doesn't feel like it's raining so much in here. Must be though, because the ground is wet. I'll just stop and take a picture. Oh, nobody's playing volleyball today. Wow. God for helmets, right? We can be able to see right now. Looking like a mountain bike on pavement. Skateboard park either. Have I shown you this skateboard park? Oh, let's look real quick. Yeah. This is the skateboard lake. This is the lake right now. Anyway, yeah, not a big park. It's a little bowl right. Go outside. Coloring outside. Nobody's playing baseball today either. People here. Kids playing baseball. They know something I don't. My head covering over my ears. It says like it's 52 degrees, but it feels more like about 45. Humidity, wet. River, the mighty Kena River, old brown water. Keep on rolling. Yep, this is brown water. Nice day for a bike ride, huh? Everybody's wearing their coats today. Uh-oh. Water splashing up on my glasses. Here we are.